Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at YEARN.finance or YFI. YFI is currently ranked at the 229, or YFI is currently at the $8,817 level. We are having a market cap of about $294 million with a 24-hour volume of about $45 million. Right? So today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for YFI, or the monthly open, and what we should be expecting right here for the month of March. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So first day in the month of March, we are down just 0.7%. So let's see what we should be expecting in March right here for YFI. So we're on the chart right here for YFI. YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the daily time frame. Binance is the date source, right? So for YFI, we have been looking at this pattern basically right here. Long consolidation, massive breakout, right? Long consolidation. And we have been saying that we have been expecting this push to the $9,600 level, right? We saw that push, but we saw a quick sell-off, and currently we are still seeing that a slow push right back down to this $9,600 level. Another thing we should look at right here is Bitcoin, the king of the market. Bitcoin continues to show bullish price action. As you can see, every single top right here, because we know usually when we see a top on Bitcoin, we also see a top on a lot of altcoins, right? And before we see a top, we usually see our bullish price action extend across the band for a long time. Right here, as you can see, extend across the band. Same thing right here in 2021, extend across the band, and we are just crossing the band, meaning we should be expecting massive price action right here for Bitcoin. Also, we are opening the monthly candle above support, which is massively bullish right here for Bitcoin. Basically means that our YFI is bullish, and we should still expect higher price targets right here going into March, right? So basically, also, if we just look at the volume profile continues to show massive bullish price action. We are still seeing massive buy volumes coming in. Momentum is also in favor of the bulls. And so we continue to remain bullish, expecting higher price targets right here for YFI. And so if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed